कौन सा शेकी ले रहा है
Again, what do I have to say? Say.
Yes.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel Diva के कारनामे. Diva के कारनामे. I make her win the diamond button and silver button, golden button, all sort of button. हाँ भाई मैं short button. Ready? Say when you're
You
rolling.
only have to say.
Say.
Action.
Hi guys, this is Shahzan Khan. I'm with
The pretty dupatta, oh my god, Punjabi kudi kaur, Punjabi kudi kaur. I am too funny. I can keep myself entertained just because I am this funny in life. But you know what? I think if somebody else would be cracking these jokes in the exact same manner that I have delivered them in, it would get a better reaction. That means that I should just be confident in my jokes because my jokes are good. My jokes are good. The problem is people, not me.
नहीं तो हम वीडियो कैसे लेंगे?
यार भाई सेटअप करेंगे ना, भाई किस लिए हैं?
हाय
है ना यार, देखो मैंने ना फैन ऑफ किया हुआ है, हम कर सकते हैं अब राखी. भाई से हाय. व्लॉग
यार.
हो
हटाओ इसको.
यार, आप भी.
अच्छा टेक 2. हाय गाइस. हाय गाइस. हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन.
और भाई बहन बना लूं मैं? भाई ने मना किया था और भाई बहन नहीं बनाने.
आपको पता ना नुकसान ही होता है उसका.
आप रिग्रेट कर रहे हो? यस ओके, लेट्स नॉट बी सैड. अच्छा मैं तो बांध तो पाऊंगी नहीं, कौन बांधेगा? भाई बांधेंगे.
भैया मेरे राखी के बंधन को नहीं.
मम्मा फिर बांधने लग गए पापा को राखी.
आप करो ना ऐसे.
एक सेकंड रुको. मम्मा ऑर्डर बताना, मैं भूल गया. लगा दिया. अच्छा पापा हुआ या नहीं हुआ? अभी मैं खिलाना शुरू करूँ?
हो गया.
खा लिया उन्होंने?
हो गया.
अच्छा, खा लिया.
पापा से वो ले लो.
जी पे मेन ब्रदर पे आए हम. भाई फिट चेक नहीं किया आपने?
जो टर्बन है ये बाहर नामदारी वाली दुकान से लाई है. दिस कुर्ता इज फ्रॉम योर्स ट्रूली. और ये वॉच मेरे को दीवू ने दी थी, मैंने दीवू से ली थी.
कब? मैंने नहीं दी है. आप मेरे को बाद में मिलो भाई.
ठीक है. येलो येलो चाहिए.
चोरी की वॉच. यस
वहाँ पर क्या मैगी केचप पड़ी हुई है?
यस. टिक्का. मम्मा टेढ़ा है.
दीवू दीवू वो
बहुत ज्यादा टेढ़ा है मम्मा.
दीवू वो होता है साथ में. मैं बैठी इधर हुई हूँ.
भाई दोनों में से आपको कौन सी बेटर लग रही है? मेरी प्रेफरेंस.
दीवू की चॉइस येलो है.
येलो में कुछ ऑलरेडी है.
मैंने बोला था नहीं देनी चाहिए चॉइस.
तो आप अभी अपनी डालोगे ना. हो रही है यार अभी.
हो गई. 3 2 1. ओके
पूरा आपके लिए रखा ही नहीं.
भाई राखी शो ऑफ करो तब तक.
वाओ वेरी
नहीं दिख रही ये. लेट्स गो.
चलो लेन देन कर लो जेड़ा भी जो भी करना है.
भाई जी पे इज एक्सेप्टेड.
फाइनल कट चाहिए?
नहीं चाहिए, मैं डाविंची पे कर रहा हूँ. जाओ.
काहे क्या आप यूट्यूबर हो?
मैं फ्री वर्जन से भी कर सकती हूँ. इट्स ओके. जब प्रॉब्लम आएगी मैं
दे रहा हूँ आपको.
जब मेरे को पेड चाहिए ही नहीं है अभी. 3 2 1.
लगाओ. ओके
हो गया.
हो गया. अरे मैगी की बोतल हटाओ.
यार आपको ही दिख रही है ना, कौन से कैमरा को दिख रही है? Day 4 out. Now my outfit. The only problem is I am going to be late, so I should leave right now. I'm excited for the class. The song is Tum Ho To from Sayyara. I have not watched the movie, but I like the song, so I'm going to go for it anyways. अब वैसे कुछ ऑप्शन भी नहीं है, मुझे जाना ही पड़ेगा. Okay, let's leave. Let's go. I don't think I'm going to reach on time. The craziest thing is that it was showing me 1 hour 11 minutes to the class, and auto wale bhaiya says it's going to take more. So I really hope the previous class goes on for longer and Shahzan and Punyakar have a lot of fun with the previous class ka students. Hope I make it on time. Okay, so it's currently almost 8 and I still haven't reached. But the thing is, I just need to like chill about it. जब पहुंचूंगी तब पहुंचूंगी. This is not under my control. Secondly, Tangerine now has become a space where I've gotten comfortable with the people and everything, and this space has always been my favorite. The only thing is, for some very random reason, I'm always nervous when I'm reaching, and when I'm there, I'm fine. It's like home. So it's a slow song, so I don't know what type of choreography to expect from Shazan. Let's see how it goes. And bhai, auto hair are back. It is so much harder than I thought it would be. Okay, so as you can tell, I am back home, and I think today's choreography was really interesting because I went in with the expectations of doing contemporary because you just assume that it's a slow song. But I was sort of taken aback when he pulled up those steps. I like going to Shazan's classes because he's just a really humble person. He really tries to remember you and be friends with you. And I think I've gotten comfortable with his style of the flow of his class. And of course, I see familiar faces, so that's also nice. I think whenever I go for these dance classes, I just genuinely feel happy. Even if I'm in the worst mood possible, I will be happy when I'm at class. Because it's just like, I'm just going to be here for 2 hours. Let me just make the most of these 2 hours. Okay, I'm just going to sit down properly. This makes more sense. Yesterday's outfit is right here. Yeah, I think because I've been going to these workshops more often now, I've realized that if I go in with the pressure of, I have to nail this choreo for the video, I have to look good, I have to do this, blah, 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 I will not dance. That defeats the entire purpose of going to the class. At the end of the day, I'm just there to learn, to have fun, to have a good time. Those were my 2 cents on dance workshops, and yeah, I will end up going to another one very soon. I miss when regular dance classes were also a thing. I think there is just something so magical about, meeting the same set of people every day and building a bond with them, instead of just jumping from one class to another workshop to another workshop to another workshop. Of course, both of them have their own perks, but I just sometimes miss regular classes. I think I will do that next. But yeah, today was a fun day, and I am not willing to change out of my outfit because I really like this color on me. To all my 126 subscribers watching this, let's go! I'm just happy I'm doing this. Yeah, I think I should stop talking now and eat my food before I end up falling asleep. And I will see you guys tomorrow. See you. Like, share, subscribe क्यों कर देते हैं यहाँ पे? तीसरी बारी बुलवा लिया है. Now, 1 second, I have to tell you this funny story also.
Hi guys, this is Shazan Khan. I'm with Diva right now. You have to go and subscribe to our channel. That's called Diva Ke Karnaame. Subscribe, share, comment, like, follow, do everything possible.
Just everything.
Yeah, just everything. Just get more engagement. Engage more with that account. Drop in a lot more comments on what you want to see next on our page. Will really help her to understand what. Bro, who's that? But all my love to you all. Give all the love to her, and meet you all very soon. Very soon. Got it. Like, subscribe, share, cross share, cross comment, cross subscribe, do everything. Oh, I don't know if that's a feature like that. And yeah, now we're practicing.